Yeah, now my little budgie has a friend, and he also has a big cage. We have to set it up. So yeah, he has a friend now, so he can do something when he's alone. And we're gonna buy him toys, I guess. I don't know. Okay. My poor cockatiel. Like we got him like Wednesday, like nine Wednesday. I don't know Wednesday, and today is Wednesday in here, and he died in the morning. So why? Why did it happen? And look at them. They eat, they drink and sleep. Eat, drink, sleep, and okay, he's that green boy. That though they're she's, both of them are she's. That blue one was gonna be a he, but it's a she, and I don't know why it's a she, but it's a she. I think because it has pink nose. Cause I, cause, yes, it has a pink nose, and this has a white and pink nose, and that has a white and pink nose. So yeah.